Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Amanda and Winston of the How at Homebody, and today we're doing another one of our in real life videos where we like to take a look at all different boutiques, Amazon shops across the internet, and show you what things look like in real life, what they feel like, so you can hopefully make some better shopping decisions. So today we're taking a look at an online boutique called Goodnight Macaroon. It's super popular on social media, big with bloggers and influencers, and for good reason. All of their stuff is really budget friendly. It ranges from about $50 to $100 for things like dresses or sweaters or jackets. And they have a lot of really trendy, fast fashion pieces, which make it great for trying new trends. So there's not a ton of information about the business online if you take a look. It appears they're based in Hong Kong. Looks like they were started in about 2011. But again, their influencer marketing has really ramped up, so you're seeing a lot of it on your favorite bloggers. So let's take a look at some of the things I ordered. This beach tote is one of the first items I got. It's really cute. It reminds me of those ones from a place called Caillou or Hat Attack that like Shop Up and Revolve and Nordstrom and all these different places have. This one I got for 40% off, so this bag was $39 down from $65. Little on the small side, not terrible. One thing that is cool is it has a lining that comes up that it looks like you can pull a drawstring to keep it closed, if you can see, and kind of protect your stuff. So you can see what that looks like. So that's kind of cool. Here is the first of our clothing items. This is like a ruffled peplum shirt. This one was only about $24. I like the little puffy sleeves. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not super crazy about the peplum. I think peplums are really hard. As you can see, it kind of hits me right at the bra line, and it kind of gives me like an added waist that I don't find super flattering. I also think the fabric feels a little cheap. Okay, so here is one of the sundresses I bought. This one is actually only $25, and I think it is just a super steal. The only thing that I will say is that this dress looks just like this brand called Faithful that you can find at Anthropologie, Nordstrom, Shop Up, and retails for like $150, $200. So if you're not looking to spring for those type of dresses, but you want this similar look, this is a great option. So we are totally ready for vacation in this sundress. As you can see, it's a midi length, which is really nice. I'm 5'4", so that gives you a little perspective. But it's really light. I think it'd be perfect for like a summer date night or going out with girlfriends, bring it on vacay with your little beach bag. This is a really great piece, I think, for this summer. Okay, I'm really disappointed about this one because I absolutely love the color and the pattern. I think it's so spring and so pretty. But as you can see, it's just like super short. There is no way anyone is wearing this as a dress. So here's another one of the pickups that I got from Goodnight Macaroon. This dress was down to $37 from $62. I love it for work if you have super short legs, which I will show you in a second. And I'm sad it's not a little bit longer because it's really cute, and the material is really comfortable. It's almost like a sweatery jersey. So friends, I think if there's one thing we're learning from this Goodnight Macaroon try-on, it is that their things are super, super duper short. You can see that already. I'm doing the fingertip, Catholic girls' school style. And you can see this is not going past even like a third of my thigh, which is disappointing because you can see it's a really cute dress. It would be great for like a birthday party, I don't know, a girls trip, Vegas, something fun that you need sequins for. I don't love this little belt. It kind of reminds me of like a drapery tie. I'm all for cinching the waist, but not a super fan. This style, only $38 after being marked down 40% off. Again, highly recommend if you are very petite with short legs. If not, it probably won't work for you. So I was thinking this one would be great for travel, especially like air travel, sitting in a car. It's just like a light t-shirt, really comfortable knit. The only thing is the sizing is off here too. The legs are really long. The crotch is kind of saggy, and it's kind of weird in through the middle. So this one was 27 bucks, but I think it's just okay. Closing thoughts, I put on my favorite one of the bunch to close this video out. I think the biggest thing for Goodnight Macaroon, I was pleasantly surprised with just how cute their clothes actually were. I think the biggest problem is the sizing. I think you're gonna have to be really careful if you order from there to either size up or settle for longer dresses like this if you're worried about the length. But I think my final advice is to definitely wait for a promo code or a flash sale. They have flash sales, I think, every week. I want to say it's on Tuesday. I would not pay full price. One, because they just always have sales. And two, because I think it's worth more like a $30, $40 range than like $70, $80. Thank you guys so much for joining me on another edition of In Real Life. Make sure to drop a note below or send me a note on Instagram if there's any other kind of Amazon hauls or online boutiques you want me to focus on next time. Always looking for ideas, always looking to make your shopping life a little bit easier, and I'll see you next time.